Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to update your Windows 11. So click on start, then settings. Now here you will see in this left side panel Windows update. So select it and if update is available, so you need to download and install all files which is requirement for update. So as we can see in my case this update is available. So connect your PC with internet and download and install required file, and after that just click on restart. Also you can schedule or restart. So thanks for watching, and comment this video useful for you or not, and also guys please share, like and subscribe this channel. Just connect your PC with internet, download required file. So once this all downloading process complete, just restart.